This is Nancy with Fix This House, and we're here with Don, who is going to be mixing up some sanded grout. You can talk now, buddy.
Water. Now the instructions say 2 quarts of water would do this entire thing, but we're only mixing a small amount at a time. So I'm going to start with, and I'm just going to mix it till it has the right consistency.
So we're using a charcoal sanded grout for our luxury vinyl tile floor. And I bought some pre-mixed acrylic grout that I used. It was Delorian gray and it wasn't quite dark enough for me. So, hey, you spilled. Just teasing. All right, so what did you do? Add like 10 scoops in? Let's take a peek.
Let's open this.
Oh, let's see the front of the bag too, if you have a minute. So 2 quarts for the whole bag means that if you're using 2 cups, that would be a quarter of the bag.
I don't think I put in 2 cups of water.
It's 1.5, so maybe a third of the bag. I want to see what it looks like in here. And then you have to let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm going to come around and grab the front of the bag while you're pulling out. It's Poly Blend, America's #1 grout, sanded grout for grout joints from 1/8 to 1.5 inch. Ours are itty bitty. Is it hard to mix?
No. I think I'm getting close to having the right consistency.
Looks good. Looks like pudding. And I'm planning on applying this with a Ziploc bag. It's a little itty bitty.
Well, you certainly don't want it too thick
Yeah.
if that's how you're going to dispense it.
It looks good. That looks pretty good to me. Look good to you?
I don't know, I think it might be a little thick now.
Is it thin out as it sits?
If you're doing a bigger batch, you can mix it with a paddle on the end of a drill.
So they say that you can add in the water now, but after 10 minutes you're not supposed to add any more water in. Water. New Jersey. I say water. Not all of us say water, some say water.
But they're wrong.
Yeah, I'm true to my roots. I like saying water.
I don't know, I think that might be pretty good.
Looks good. It looks beautiful. Look at that. Looks really cool. All right, so it sticks up in peaks, and
Just like your lemon meringue pie.
it's a good color. I wanted a dark color for the grout. I should show you the floor real quick. A dark color to use for the grout so that it didn't show dirt.
All right, so wait 10 minutes, then we'll mix it again and start applying.
And this is the floor where we're going to be applying it, and making this just a separate video for people who want to know. And this is the Delorian gray right here, which looks a little bit darker on my screen right now, but in real life it's like a steel gray. And if you look at the floor without any grout on it, it almost looks like it has dark grout in it, and that's really the look that I want, because we have the same floor at our house, and not at our fixer-upper, but in our house. And I used some kind of sanded, lighter brown color grout, and it did not, it got stained real fast, and I'm not scrubbing grout that often. So that's where it's going, and you'll have to check out my other video to see us actually apply it, but that's how you mix it. Here's what, a couple cups of water for a quarter of a bag, right? Like that's...
I think I used maybe 8 or 10 ounces.
Okay, so a little less than that. Sounds good. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.